sublight freighter.
Origin?
Indeterminate. Propulsion appears to employ a gaseous core fission reactor, but it is not functioning.
The radiation levels from that ship are off the scale.
Could that be leakage from their engines?
No, sir. Engine reactor elements appear to have been inactive for approximately 300 years. The vessel is carrying various unstable waste products.
You mean it's a garbage scow?
Precisely.
We're going to push that barge into the Gamelin sun.
Sir, the Maltesian asteroid belt lies between here and the sun.
Then we'll take it in ourselves. We use our deflectors to clear a path through the asteroids.
I don't like the idea of getting close enough to that barge to tow it. The radiation levels are so high, we'd be risking the contamination of the entire crew.
Do you have a better idea, Geordi?
We could send a construction module over to attach thrusters to it. Then we could direct it through the asteroid belt from a safe distance.
Commander, a message from the mining settlement on Pintaris 5. The shuttlecraft carrying Captain Picard has not yet arrived.
They left here at 0800 hours.
They have asked if we are beginning a search.
Tell them we have an emergency situation. We will begin a search as soon as we've completed that.
Aye, sir.
Mr. LaForge, prepare to launch the construction module. I'd like to get this over with as fast as possible.
Commander, the miners report they have very few operable shuttlecraft. They want to know when we will be joining the search.
Tell them to stand by. If this works, we'll be on our way.
Aye, sir.
Thrusters are attached and ready, Commander.
Initiate pre-fire sequence.
Pre-fire sequence transmitted. Thrusters to stand by.
Fire thrusters. Gradual acceleration to 40% power.
Lost one module. Correcting thrust vectors to compensate.
Structural integrity of the barge has been compromised. Disintegration is continuing.
Shut down thrusters. Ensign, take us to 1,000 meters ahead of the barge and hold.
External radiation levels increasing, sir.
Coming into position at 1,000 meters.
Worf, extend the shields around the ship. Lock on the tractor beam.
Aye, sir.
Warning, radiation levels at 70 millirads per minute and rising.
Allenby, set a new course. We'll take it through the asteroid belt ourselves. 1/4 impulse.
Aye, sir.
Dr. Crusher, to the bridge.
On my way.
Mr. Data, I'll need a projection of the radiation's impact on the crew. Mr. Worf, contact the mining settlement. Tell them we won't be joining the search for a while. First officer's log. Stardate 44307.6. Radiation levels on the Enterprise continue to rise. The ventilation system has started pumping hydronolin into our air supply to counteract the effects.
At the rate the radiation levels are increasing, the hydronolin additive will only be effective for another 38 minutes.
Crusher to Medical Unit 1. Evacuate and seal off all non-operational areas. Group the crew and their families in the interior corridors of decks 9 and 10. Radiation exposure protocol.
Acknowledged, Doctor.
Mr. Data, at our current speed, how long will it take us to get through the asteroid belt?
51 minutes, 14 seconds, sir.
There's going to be a lot of casualties if we can't get there any faster.
Mr. LaForge, how much more can we get out of that tractor beam?
We're already at the maximum limits of our towing speed, Commander.
Let's see if we can establish a new upper limit.
Yes, sir. Data, monitor the shearing effect on the beam, increasing to 1/2 impulse.
Tractor beam is holding. Shearing force 80 metric tons per meter.
Increasing to 3/4 impulse.
Shearing force 92 metric tons. 93. Tractor beam is destabilizing. We are going to lose the barge, Commander.
Reduce power.
1/2 impulse.
Geordi, you've got to stabilize that tractor beam.
I can't divert any more power to the shield. We're already hitting our maximum thermal limits. Only other choice is to bring some other fusion reactors online, but we're running at peak coolant pressure.
Do it.
Warning, radiation levels at 150 millirads per minute and rising. Lethal exposure in 35 minutes.